Hey guys, this is Miss Hannisco, and today we are going to talk about staying safe online. So one of the ways that you can stay safe online is password protection. Protect your passwords. Create secure passwords. This means not your cat's name and your birthday. Create passwords that include capital and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, and no familiar words, not your middle name or your dog's name or your sister's birthday. Create passwords that are unique. Also, create different passwords for different purposes. Don't use the same password on every platform, because then if someone gets one password, they get them all. And make sure you don't share your passwords. You may think it's your best friend and they won't share it with anyone, and then next thing you know, everybody's got your password. So don't share your passwords. The next is protecting your private and personal information. Private information is information about a person that identifies them. This includes names, addresses, and birthdays. Personal information is information that doesn't really identify them, but could help identify someone if it's used with private information. This is like how many brothers and sisters you have. Maybe what your favorite food is. So don't share personal or private information on the internet. With your photographs, sometimes we may not think about looking for identifying information. We just take a picture and then we post it online. But sometimes those photographs can contain things like house numbers, street names, or license plates. We need to check our photographs to make sure that there is no identifying information in the photograph before we put it online. Also, make sure you have all locating features turned off on your phone and be aware of geolocators on your photos. Sometimes you may think you have your locations turned off, but your phone attaches a location to the picture and then you post it online and people can see exactly where you are. So double check those location settings and geolocators on your photos before you post them. Don't share your passwords, personal or private information, and check your photos for anything you didn't see before. And as always, think before you post. Thank you.